It's 4:15 in the afternoon, Friday, May 5th, 2017. Mom and Dad Osprey are tending to the needs of their first hatchling. We first saw the chick this morning at about 8:15. As you can see, Dad has bought Mom a nice fish, and Mom is ripping it up, taking a bite for herself, and then trying to give a bite to the chick, but not doing a real good job of it. She's having a hard time making the handoff. I think Dad realizes he's got to go get another fish. Or maybe he realizes he just can't stand up to this wind. The chick looks pretty hungry. Mom's doing her best. Hopefully it'll calm down in a second. There we go. I think the chick just got a bite of that one. Let's see. Not sure about that one. It's tough being born on a windy day. There you go. You got that one. All right. All right. Terrific. Okay, Mom, you're getting better at this. She's still got fresh sashimi there. There's a nice chunk. Think you could share that one? There you go. Gotta lean forward. I know you don't want to fall over on the chick. Okay, maybe you ought to eat that one yourself. There you go. Hand that one off. Oh. There's some on your beak. Try it. There you go. Well, this is making me seasick. I hope it's not getting to you. You can see the eggshell in the background that's been taken out of the nest, and it's over on the side. Meanwhile, the other two eggs are... I guess the good news is Mom doesn't have to worry about rolling those other two eggs. They're getting rolled by the wind. Wow. It's a good thing that Mom and Dad made such a deep indentation in the nest so the chicks can stay out of the weather. Get that one. Oh. Okay, one more big one, Mom. Oops, you didn't have anything there to get. Try a nice one. There you go. Kind of hard to get the end of the fish there. Well, the video seems to be hanging up on us here. So I think we're going to say good afternoon and hope that it calms down a little bit this evening. From 75 feet up in the great Osprey nest here in the landings on Skidaway Island.